Toyota is facing one of the most expensive and extensive safety recalls in its history. The company has decided to replace every single engine in approximately 100,000 vehicles, including Tundra pickups and Lexus SUVs. What led to this drastic measure? Here we tell you all about it. Earlier this year, Toyota discovered a defect in its bi-turbo V6 engines that affects Tundra and Lexus LX pickup trucks, specifically models manufactured between November 2021 and February 2023. The defect can cause the engine to stop unexpectedly, which increases the risk of accidents at high speeds. Toyota explained the following in its recall notices to dealers. There is a possibility that certain machining debris was not removed from the engine when it was produced. We will go more into the problem in a little while. In May 2024, Toyota informed the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration of the problem, mentioning that they were still determining a solution for the 102,092 potentially affected vehicles. Initially, Toyota estimated that only 1% of those vehicles might have the defect. However, this was due to a filing requirement, as Toyota could not accurately estimate the percentage of vehicles actually defective. They simply placed 1%. Toyota began investigating the problem in March 2022, following a report of a vehicle that stalled. What we found in the report submitted by Toyota is as follows. During a specific production period, there is a possibility that machining debris of a particular size and quantity may not have been removed during manufacturing and subsequently contaminated the engine assembly. In these engines, the pressure on the main bearings, due to the engine configuration, is such that, if machining debris adheres to the bearings and engine operation continues at higher loads over time, bearing failure may occur. This can lead to engine noises, irregular operation, problems starting the engine and/or an engine shutdown. A loss of vehicle power while driving at high speeds can increase the risk of a crash. 2 months later, Toyota is still without a solid estimate of how many vehicles are actually affected. Therefore, the company has decided to replace all potentially defective engines. Removing the engines from more than 100,000 vehicles and replacing them will be extremely costly for Toyota, both in terms of the cost of replacement engines, labor, and the production of new engines for new vehicles. However, the company deserves credit for safely and thoroughly addressing a problem that could affect just a few vehicles or many more. What do you think of this move by Toyota?